Good evening, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, Namaskar. There is a brilliant child locked inside every student. That means every student has capability to do something in his or her life. So I, Vasant Kumar, present here with my YouTube channel, EcoVid, the Age of Economics, episode number 3. So let us have a glance on the career opportunities for class 12 commerce students, what they can do after the announcement of results. So my topic is what are the career prosperity for class 12 students. So let us go with the options, my friends. Option number 1, you can join after class 12 commerce CA Foundation. CA means Chartered Accountant. Then you can, number 2, join in BCom course. The duration for this course is 3 years. Number 3, BBA 3 years followed by MBA 2 years. Then option number 5, CS Foundation, Company Secretary. Then 6th, BCA, Bachelor in Computer Application. You must have Maths and English at class 12 level. The duration of this BCA course is 3 years. Then 7th, ICWA, that Institute of Cost and Work Accountant. ICWA, you can join for 3 years course. You can be a teacher. So for this, you have to take admission in the following courses. Starting from NTT, Nursery Teachers Training, PTT, Primary Teachers Training, DLED, Diploma in Education. The duration for this course is 2 years. Then BEd for 1 year, and for integrated courses of BEd is 3 years, and for regional BEd it takes 2 years, followed by Master of Education MEd. The duration of MEd course is 1 year if you have completed BEd. Then point number 9, BAF, Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, 3 years duration. Then BBI, Bachelor of Banking and Insurance, 3 years duration. Then you can go with BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies, BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. The duration of this course is 3 years. Henceforth, you can go for licensing courses such as number 1, Student Pilot License, Professional Pilot License, Commercial Pilot License. After obtaining license of any category, any one of the categories, you may fly the specific flight to do the job. Then last but not least, before BCom, after class 12 commerce, you can go with the clerical grade examinations being conducted by the state government and central government as well. So these are the career opportunities and courses available for class 12 commerce. So let us go. One option I have told out of 4, that is you can take admission in BCom course after class 12 commerce. Then after BCom, then what opportunities are there? Let us discuss. MBA, Master of Business Administration, Marketing, Finance and Materials Management, etc. grade wise. The number 2, exams for the job, banking services, insurance services. You can be a probationary officer after completion of become, or development officer you can be. Then LLB you can do for 3 years, followed by LLM 2 years, Bachelor of Law and Master of Law. Then you can go for CA after graduation for 2 years duration, Chartered Accountant course is there. Then CS for 2 years, Company Secretary after become. Then you can join again in ICWA, Institute of Cost and Work Accountant. The course duration is 2 years after become. Then you can go for aviation courses, cabin crew or ground staff courses. The duration of these courses varies from 1 year to 2 years. Okay, then UG diploma courses. UG means undergraduate diploma courses, 1 to 2 years duration. It varies, depends upon the length of the curriculum and syllabus. Then you can sit after becomes directly you can sit for the official grade examinations under SSSC, State Staff Selection Commission, or UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. So under these 2 categories, you may be a clerk, you may get clerk grade job or official grade job. Then if you are interested in stock exchanges, so you can go with the courses offered by the government for National Stock Exchange, NSE and Bombay Stock Exchange. In the course Financial Analyst, the course duration is 1 to 3 years. It varies depend upon the curriculum and structure of the courses. Then IATA, International Air Transport Association. You can do this course also after become. The duration of this course is 3 years. Then you can join Indian Military Academy under CDS, Combined Defence Services. Only 1 grade is available for become students. IMA, Indian Military Academy under CDS. Or you can go to sit for IS, Prelim and Main exams. You will be one of the grade 1 officer and prestigious post in Indian Army Station. So these are the career options and prosperity and prospects for class 12 students. My dear friends, please have a choice out of all these to make your career bright. Don't forget to select as per your capacity and efficiency and score marks in different subjects. Accordingly, you can have a choice out of all these courses and job opportunities. So now I do request, if the video is helpful for you, please and please do not forget to comment, subscribe, like and share among your friends through social media in their different accounts for inspiration and motivation for me, so that I can produce good videos for your future endeavor. And one more thing, during Corona and this pandemic COVID-19, please be safe and let others safe. Thank you. Have a good day ahead. Namaskar. Jai Hind.